Hello viewers, today we shall solve a very interesting problem on functions equations. Here functions domain is a set of real number and also image is set of real number, and also functional value at x equal to 0 is 1, and this function satisfies this relation, that is functions equation, which is f of x plus y equal to f x f dot y plus f dot x f y for all x y belongs to set of real numbers. We have to find out the value of natural logarithm f of 4. This is the problem. The problem is a function equation is given here. This function equation is f of x plus y equal to f x f dot y plus f dot x f y for all x y belongs to R, and also the functions domain and image are both set of real number, and also functional value at x equal to 0 is 1. This is the problem. We shall solve it. Now, the functions equation is given as f of x plus y equal to f x f dot y plus f dot x f y. This is the functions equation. Here also f 0 equal to 1. F 0 is 1, given as f 0 equal to 1. Now, if we put y equal to 0 on both sides, we get we put both side y equal to 0. If we put y equal to 0 on both sides, we get f of x plus 0 equal to f of x f dot 0 plus f dot 0 f dot x f of 0. So, f x equal to f of x f dot 0 plus f dot x. Here f 0 is 1, is f 0 equal to 1 is given. So, this is 1, and also we can write f x minus f x f dot 0 equal to f dot x. So, f x into 1 minus f dot 0 equal to f dot x. This is f x into 1 minus f dot 0 equal to f dot x we have got. So, we can write f dot x over f x equal to 1 minus f dot 0. This is constant. 1 minus f dot 0 is constant. So, we can write d dx of f x over f x equal to 1 minus f dot 0. Now, if we integrate both sides with respect to x, we get, if we integrate both sides, that is integrate d dx of equal to 1 minus f dot 0 dx. We have integrated, we have taken integration on both sides of these equations. This is the integral form of both sides of this equation. So, integration d dx of f x dx over f x equal to 1 minus f dot 0 dx. So, we can write d of f x over f x equal to, this is constant, so 1 minus f dot 0 integration dx. This is, we have got this. If we integrate this, d of f x over f x, that is dx over x. Integration dx over x is natural logarithm x, here x is f x. So, this if we integrate this, we get natural logarithm, this is equal to 1 minus f dot 0 x plus c. This is integration constant. So, when x equal to 0, then natural logarithm e f of 0 equal to 1 minus f dot 0 into 0 plus c, and this is f0 equal to 1. We are given f0 equal to 1. We can put f0 equal to 1 here, then we get natural logarithm e1 equal to 1 equal to c. This is 0, so c. Also c equal to 0, because natural logarithm 1 equal to 0. So, c equal to 0. So, we get natural logarithm f x equal to 1 minus f dot 0 x, this c equal to 0. So, f x equal to e to the power 1 minus f dot 0 x, this is. So, we have derived the function, this function is f x equal to e to the power 1 minus f dot 0 x, that is e to the power c x, c is constant, by that is e to the power a x, a is constant, that is f x is an exponential function. We have derived f x is an exponential function, f x equal to e to the power 1 minus f dot 0 into x. Now, we shall find out the value of natural logarithm natural logarithm f of 4, natural logarithm f of 4. So, natural logarithm we have natural logarithm f x equal to 1 minus f dot 0 into x. We have got this, that is natural logarithm f x equal to 1 minus f dot 0 into x. Now, we shall find out this value, that is natural logarithm f of 4. We put both side x equal to 4. So, natural logarithm f of 4 equal to 1 minus f dot 0 into 4. This is. Now, we have to know about the value of f dot 0. We have to know the value of f dot 0. Here function we shall use the function equation f of x plus y equal to f of x f dot y plus f dot x f of y we can put both side x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, because 0 is a real number. So, we can choose x and y both as 0, that is if we put x equal to y equal to 0 on both sides, we get f of 0 equal to f of 0 f dot 0 plus f dot 0 into f of 0. So, this is equal to 2 f of 0 f dot 0. So, f 0 minus 2 f 0 f dot 0 equal to 0, and also we factorize this f 0 into 1 minus 2 f dot 0 equal to 0. Now, f 0 is 1, that is f 0 is non-zero. Now, f dot 0 f 0 is f 0 is 1. Now, f 0 is 1. That is non-zero. So, we can get 1 minus 2 f dot 0 equal to 0. That is, this implies f dot 0 equal to half. This implies f dot 0 equal to half. So, we have derived the value of f dot 0, which is half, and we put this value in this equation. So, we get natural logarithm f of 4 equal to 1 minus f dot 0 into 4, that is 1 minus f dot 0 is got as half. So, we put f dot 0 here, half into 4, that is 2. So, natural logarithm f of 4 equal to 2. This is the result. We have found out the value of natural logarithm f of 4, which is 2. This is the value of natural logarithm f of 4.